You've just moved. Boxes are piled high, the new place is starting to feel like home, but there's one crucial detail hanging in the balance: your address. It's more than just getting your mail, it's about ensuring your financial life is up to date. And that means updating Transunion. So, how do you do it? Let's dive in. Now, you might be thinking, why does this even matter? Well, imagine getting a credit card offer addressed to your old apartment. Or worse, a debt collector hunting you down at a place you haven't lived in for months. Not fun, right? Keeping your address current with Transunion helps prevent these headaches. It also ensures you receive important financial information like credit reports and fraud alerts. Okay, let's get down to business. There are primarily two ways to update your address with Transunion: online and by mail. Let's start with the online method. First, you'll need to create a Transunion account if you don't already have one. It's free, and it's a good idea to have anyway to monitor your credit. Once you're logged in, look for something like My Profile, Personal Information, or Update Account. It might vary slightly depending on when you're watching this. Click on that, and you should see an option to change your address. Enter your new address carefully, review the information, and then submit. It's usually pretty straightforward. However, there's a catch. Not all address changes can be done online. If you've recently changed your name, or if you're dealing with a particularly complex situation like a P.O. box, you might need to go the old-fashioned route: mail. To do this, you'll need to write a letter to Transunion. Include your full name, old address, new address, and your social security number. You'll also need to provide proof of your new address. This could be a utility bill, a bank statement, or even a change of address form from the post office. Make copies of these documents before sending them, just in case. Mail your letter to Transunion's Address Update Department. You can find the exact address on their website. It's usually something like Transunion Consumer Solutions, P.O. Box 2000, Chester, Pennsylvania, 19016. Now, how long does it take? Transunion says it can take up to 30 days to process an address change. But in reality, it often happens faster. To be on the safe side, give it a couple of weeks before you start freaking out if you haven't heard back. One more thing. While you're at it, consider updating your address with the other major credit bureaus, Equifax and Experian. It's extra work, but it's worth it for peace of mind. Alright, we've covered the basics of changing your address with Transunion. But what if you're still having trouble? Maybe you've tried everything, and your address just won't update. Or perhaps you're worried about identity theft and want to take extra precautions. In that case, it might be time to contact Transunion directly. They have a customer service number, and you can usually find it on their website. Be prepared to verify your identity and have all the relevant information ready. And remember, it's always a good idea to monitor your credit report regularly. This will help you catch any errors or signs of identity theft early on. There are free ways to get your credit report, so take advantage of them. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.